Greetings everyone. This is going to be a short video on the basic types of operations. We are going to look at six different types of operations, six basic types of operations we can do in Python. So let me first share my screen. Open IntelliJ IDEA. Same project. I'm going to add one more file. Let's name this as Python 4. Now, let me real quick introduce two variables. A equals 26 and B equals, let's say, 5. Now, I would print A plus B. You all know it's 31. And we write the result here, 31. Print A minus B. It's 21. Print A by B. So this is actually, this will actually print with the decimal place. So 5.2 will be the result. And if we want to do integer division, we can use 2 forward slashes. This is actually, if you have studied float function, you would know. Float function is whenever we get an integer, whenever we get a number, let it be 3.2, we round it down to 3. So here we have got a number 5.2. We round it down to its nearest integer. So as we know, round off is based on a rule, proper rule, that if the number is 5, we round it up. 5 or greater, we round it up. If the number is less than 5, we round it down. Now this round down or float function is something that rounds the number to its nearest integer, like to its nearest integer, but it should be less than the number. It's like greatest integer function, GIF. So it will print 5. And the last one, modulo. This will print the remainder. So what is the remainder? 26 divided by 5. The remainder is 1. So let us real quick check the results. Yeah. So as you have seen, the results are what we had already expected them to be. So that is how you use basic operations in Python. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please to subscribe and share this video and like this video, and please to comment in the comment section. Thank you.